If you don't have a personal photographer, if you don't have a personal videographer following you around most of the time, how do you capture those most special moments?
I'm Christoph and I'm the team leader of Nixie. I've been a tinkerer all my life and I always loved being in my workshop, just building stuff.
Christoph came over one day and he said, I have a new idea for a quadcopter. And he looked at me with this mischievous grin and he said, I want to make your quadcopter wearable. And I thought, what?
Let's just build a flying wristband that can give aerial photography to you.
You should be able, with a gesture, to tell the quadcopter to unfold, and then it's going to take off from your wrist. It knows where you are, it turns around, takes a picture of you, comes back, you can catch it from the air and put it back on your wrist. So we are preparing to prototype with the Intel Edison chip, and here's a little test setup where we can measure exactly the power we need to create a specific lift.
So we all have moments we want to remember. We all have moments we want to capture and maybe even to share them later. Nixie takes the picture that you wish you had always had but couldn't because you didn't want to stop the action.